It's a saffron wave in the national capital. After 27 long years, Delhi is all set to see a BJP government. It's curtains down on Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party government for the next 5 years. Aam Aadmi Party's top faces, including Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Saurabh Bharadwaj, have been defeated from their constituencies, while the lone saving grace has been Atishi, who won from her Kalkaji seat. As the dust settles on the results and the numbers become clearer, it is a contrasting image in each camp. On one hand, the celebrations in the BJP camp can be seen, with Prime Minister Modi expected to reach the BJP headquarters at around 5:30. And a complete contrast of just silence and introspection in the Aam Aadmi Party camp is what we are witnessing. Viewers, let's tell you a little bit about, what perhaps led to this kind of a victory for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the national capital. Was it Modi ki guarantee? Well, many believe it was Modi ki guarantee pitch that really helped woo voters in favor of the BJP. Remember, Prime Minister Modi was being seen as a Brahmastra by the BJP for the Delhi elections as a star campaigner. Factor number two, the budget cheer that came, the tax breaks that came for the middle class. Remember, the middle class is about 67% as far as Delhi's households are concerned. So that played a very big role. And Sheesh Mahal attack on Arvind Kejriwal, the relentless attack that came from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and many other BJP netas. Another factor, the promise to continue the current schemes. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party specifically went on to say that if another party comes to power, then all the schemes and the benefits that you are getting under us will be stopped. But the BJP decided to make another promise that the schemes are not going to stop, the benefits are going to continue. So that also helped the BJP. And then 2,500 rupees per month as a promise for women and cheaper LPG, especially during Holi and Diwali. Another very important promise that many feel helped BJP woo the women voters in the national capital. Also a vow to not demolish Jhuggi Jhopris. There was a lot of attention towards, the slum dwellers, specifically how Home Minister Amit Shah himself also had a meeting with them. Another factor we would like to highlight is also the way Bharatiya Janata Party highlighted BJP's unfulfilled promises. Last one decade, a lot of promises were made, be it about eradicating pollution, removing pollution from Delhi, cleaning the Yamuna, and a lot of other freebies that were promised that were not delivered. That was another thing that the BJP highlighted in this election campaign. And lastly, the blistering Aapada pitch against Arvind Kejriwal. That was one of the terms that was coined by the Bharatiya Janata Party to target the Aam Aadmi Party, Aapada. Of course, they were referring to the Aam Aadmi Party. And now we have a reaction coming in from the BJP as well. Let's listen in.
जो सरकार बन रही है दिल्ली में, ये प्रधानमंत्री जी के विजन को दिल्ली में लेके आएगी। दिल्ली की जनता का बहुत-बहुत एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। ये सभी दिल्ली वासियों की जीत।
Prime Minister Modi's leadership, we are very keen that Delhi gets a government which serves its people. And that's something which is the need of the hour. India's capital region, national capital region, should have a government which serves the cause of its people.
कहीं ना कहीं जो नई प्रयोगधर्मी राजनीति थी वो कितनी संकटकारक हो गई है, वह भी दिखाता है। दिल्ली की जनता उससे ऊब गई थी। आम आदमी पार्टी के चेहरे पे पड़ा हुआ नकाब उतरता हुआ दिख रहा है।
अरविंद केजरीवाल, मनीष सिसोदिया, आतिशी मारलेना, ये सब करप्शन के चेहरे हैं, भ्रष्टाचार इनके कारण हुआ है। तो मुझे लगता है इन कारणों को जनता माफ नहीं करेगी।
दिल्ली का प्रत्येक तबका अब आम आदमी पार्टी से दूर हो गया है कि आम आदमी पार्टी ने जिस प्रकार से अकर्मण्यता दिखाई, तो आज जनता उसका रिजल्ट दे रही है।
Now, Bharatiya Janata Party netas clearly have been saying that it was Modi magic that helped, them get the voters of the national capital. And one of them, of course, was Modi ki guarantee. Remember, this was one phrase that we heard quite a lot during the campaigning by the BJP, Modi guarantee, that perhaps neutralized what the Aam Aadmi Party was offering to the voters of Delhi. Also highlighted BJP's delivery track record. Remember, as far as schemes for women are concerned, the way they have delivered on their promise in other states like Maharashtra specifically, where recently we had elections where BJP-led Mahayuti came to power. That was another factor that helped the voters in Delhi. Then micromanagement of voters that happened. That was a very different strategy that the BJP used this time. One minister in charge of 2 seats. So there was micromanagement happening at the ground level so that, they are able to monitor what is happening and what is not really, having an impact on the ground in terms of the kind of announcements that were made. And then the Purvanchali leaders from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand, their impact on the voters to influence the voters in Delhi was also very, very significant. Pahadi leaders from Uttarakhand were also brought in. So there was a proper strategy that the Bharatiya Janata Party had for the Delhi elections, and these were in fact some of the ways through which the BJP tried to woo the voters in Delhi, and clearly it seems it yielded results. Over to you, Swati.
Thank you very much.